So good morning to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Vikas Propend share. So today you can see that it has excellently obeyed the levels which I have provided in the previous videos. So almost on Friday I have discussed about Vikas Multicorp as well as Vikas Propend. So in that particular video I discussed the stock is started forming bottom, so stay cautious. I told that the volume is increasing, almost you can see 90% was it, that I'll show you as well. So also told that if you want to invest, definitely invest. So today also it has opened. I've also put in the Telegram as well, so people are following me on Telegram. I also updated in that as well. Almost we have caught the bottom of the stock. Now let's hope that the rally should continue, so people are invested can definitely mention in the comment section as well. So now we'll see only the technical analysis about the company, fundamentals of the company I have discussed in previous videos, so do watch that as well. Okay, if we see the current market price of this particular stock is almost 3.05 and 1.67% positive. So that is only the upper circuit for it, not 4 to 5% upper circuit is not there, only 1.67 upper circuit is there for the stock. So it keeps changing. So once almost it even gives a 4 to 5% of upper circuit. Okay, if you see the deliveries, you can see almost 100% deliveries were seen, but if you compare with the previous sessions, the deliveries were very less, only 65 to 75% deliveries were there. Next, dividend, you can see almost 3.28% dividend also is provided by the company, so which is very good. Okay, we know that almost it is recently listed stock. So also told that whenever any stock is recently listed, it will have only two moves. So once it starts coming downward, it will take support and again it will start rising. So that is what the phenomena I explained in my previous videos. So the main idea is that you need to understand the concept. So first, if you understand the concept, then only you can have a good approach in the future. So try to understand that well as well. Okay, so people who entered for long term or positional also, they can earn good amount of profit. Now let's see the volume analysis, which gave us a hint that the stock has started forming the bottom. Okay, if you see the volume analysis of Vikas Propend and Granite, you can see that almost if you compare it on weekly, monthly as well as 6 months average. So what can you see here? So almost the traded quantity has reduced and the percentage of deliverable quantity has started increasing. Can you see that before it was almost 70.3 and that before was 69.8 and 6 months average was 71.2, but suddenly you can see 90.6 percentage was present, that too with a heavy deliverable volume and less traded volume. So remember one thing, so traded volume should be very less and only deliverable volume should be high, then only you can conclude anything from the stock. So here we can see 90% deliverable volume was there, so it was a confirmation that the stock has started forming the bottom. Okay, and we also discussed the main strengths of the company. What is the strength? The company is also with low debt as well as company is with zero promoter pledge. So that we discussed in our previous videos as well. So that's why I'll watch the video till end so that you will not miss any update. So if you keep skipping the video, you will miss important updates like this and you will conclude it in a wrong way. So many people do like that as well, but I do so that you should be benefited. So my main aim is that you should be benefited and you should earn good amount of profit. Okay. And also if we discuss about the technicals of this particular company, you know that the stock has been correcting heavily. If we compare the pre-COVID level of this particular stock, it was at 10 rupees. So 10 rupees stock, you're almost now at 3 rupees. So it is a very good bottom that we have caught if you have invested in this stock. So further movement also may happen if everything goes well. So this stock is also recently listed and also Vikas Multicorp, which I have discussed in previous videos. Now quickly we'll revise the levels so that you will have an idea of the future levels. So now we are into the 1 day chart. So 1 day chart. So now I will discuss the essence of money flow index. So we'll have clarity on that as well. So what the money flow index is showing, it has reached the oversold region. So what happens whenever any stock reaches oversold region, next it should go to the overbought region. Okay, so that is the basic thing all of you know. Okay, so now you can see the stock was in continuous downtrend, and you can see stock has opened here also. So here also it opened, but did it give you any indication that the stock is completely oversold? You can compare here. You can see stock is in between only. It has not reached the oversold region. Then how can you invest that at that particular point of time? Yes or no? You need to even analyze these things also. That's why I tell volume analysis is also very important. So remember that as well. So now it has reached and it has taken support at the pivot point. Okay, and you can see the volume also, almost 9 lakh shares are still pending in the what we say orders. Let me show you that as well. So you can see almost 9 lakh orders are still in pending. So you can see heavy volume has come, and people who have invested definitely also mentioned in Telegram as well. Okay, though let's see the next levels. So we can see the levels. The stock is currently around 3.05. You can see it is exactly from the bottom. If you compare the previous bottom also was here only, and it has respected that. If everything goes well, then definitely a good up move will be possible in the future. So I suggest you that you need to definitely hold this particular stock. You should not do any sort of selling. So hold it for long term, and people are doing positional as well, they can hold it. Okay, so immediate resistance is 4.43 and another one is the 5.82. So these are the two targets which, if everything goes well, that can be achieved. So even we discussed about Take Solutions, so that has also given good movement. Now currently around 44.5, we have discussed around 38, and Marksans Pharma was also given a good move, almost 42 rupees. So we discussed around, firstly around we discussed when it was 33 rupees. Okay, so very good return. So that's why I tell you also need to analyze. So focus on volume and everything, and then only enter. Okay, so this is all about Vikas Propent. In next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.